How to insert a symbol or special character in docs. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the process is same for Microsoft Word or your Google Docs. I am showing you in Google Docs. So first I am using this blank document for illustration purpose. Now all you have to do is go to insert and here you will find an option of special characters. Tap on it. You will find different special characters here, or you can also draw a symbol if you cannot find one, and it will show you different special characters related to it. And here you can see it is now typed in the document. You can also find mathematical symbols like mu and many more. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.